Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys how to apply a transition to several clips, how to swap that transition out or get rid of them all without selecting each one. So here I have a bunch of trailer clips all lined up that just go back to back, cut to cut here. And I want to add a dissolve in between every single one of these without going in and adding to each point. So what you can do is Command A or select all. Let's say we're going to add this cross dissolve here. You can right click and choose add to selected edit points and clips. It is going to ask you if you want to trim these because it needs a few frames on each side to make the optical happen. So we're going to say trim clips, and you'll see the timeline kind of trim down a little bit, only a few frames. And now if we go in, you can see between all these edits, we now have the cross dissolves. Okay, so that works. If we wanted to swap this out though, there's not like a default way to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and reselect all of these. And let's say I wanted to add this additive dissolve instead. I could right click and say select, same thing. But if we zoom in here, we can see we still have the cross dissolve. So here's the little workaround. Command A, grab your other alternative edit that you wanted to add. So we're going to do the additive dissolve. I'm going to drop that in right here over the transition and let go. Now, if we click between the edits, you can see all of these are selected. So what I'm going to do now is delete. So now that's gotten rid of every single transition between all these clips. I'm going to select again and then add this new one to selected edit points. So now if we zoom in, we have the additive dissolve on all the edit points, and we didn't have to go in and change each one. So it's kind of a little hack where you have to select all, drop the transition on, delete it so it only selects the transition, and then add the new one. Kind of a weird hack, but that's a cool way to do that, and it works with audio edits as well. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below if you guys got a topic you want me to make a video on, and I'll see you on the next one.